Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, my name is Thato Mabonela and I'm the director and founder of Gog'Lilly Wholesome Foods. Established in 2021, we are based in Mabopane, 20 South TVET College, Odi campus. We started our business because the food industry is flooded with artificial and processed food. So we are a natural food brand. We believe in food as it should be, preservatives-free and artificial-free products. Our products are natural peanut butter, natural jam, peanuts, and mixed dried fruits. Our products are available nationwide through TMFO courier services. What makes us different is that our peanut butter is free from preservatives, salt, sugar, additives, and oil. And our jam is also unique. You can actually taste the fruit. It's also preservatives free. Our peanuts are roasted and mixed with dried fruits. You can get in touch with us. Our contact number is 081-2121-351. Instagram, Gog'Lilly_peanut products. On Facebook, we are Gog'Lilly. On TikTok, at Gog'Lilly. On Twitter, it's Gog'Lilly. Hi, my name is Thato Mabonela, and I am a township entrepreneur.